Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine and safe at home. And also practice SOPs. Beware of all the things like coronavirus, COVID-19. Be safe, be sound, and be happy with your family. Today we are going to learn and study about the biology, class 9, chapter number 1, introduction to biology. Let's move towards our topic. Today's topic, chapter number 1, introduction to biology. The topic is branches of biology. Branches of biology. So there are many branches of biology, but a few. Here in your book of class 9, there are only 16, but a few that are 16 we are going to study in detail. Number 1 is morphology. What is morphology? Morphology is the study of form and structure of living organisms. Means I have already told that we are going to study or learn with a very easy and quick method. What is that easy and quick method in these branches? So we will ask from the word. The word tells the whole story. So we will ask from the words about their definitions, and they will tell us. For example, morphology. Morphology. If I divide it will become morphology. Logy means study, so we are not going to discuss the logy. Morpho. So when we call morpho in a sequence fluently, we will get the word form. From that we will study. We will have the word form. Morphology means the study of form and structure. What is form? It is the structure or the shape, how an animal looks like, how an organism looks like, or what is it made of. The study of form and structure of living organisms is called morphology. The second one is anatomy. What is anatomy? Anatomy means it is similar to internal. Means anatomy. When we call the word anatomy, we should have the word internal. Anatomy means the study of internal structures of an organism. I guess you will or you have understood that what is anatomy? Anatomy is the study of internal structures. Internal structure means that how an animal or an organism looks like from inside. Means if I am an organism, so how will be I looking or how will be I look alike from inside? Means my organs or my internal structures like my heart, my further organs like kidneys, stomach, lungs, etc. How will they look alike? This is all we gonna study in anatomy. So anatomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of internal structures. Now move towards the next one, histology. So what is histology or what histology gives us the story? Histology means when I call the word histology, I got a very unique word or a very unique sense, that is history. The thing that has happened in history, or if we are studying some scientific things like biology, chemistry, etc. So in history we get something or some devices that helps us in our further today's study. So what is that? The device or the machine? It is microscope. We get the microscope in history. So microscope is a historic thing. Now let's come back to the word histology. What is histology? Logy means the study. Okay, this branch of biology deals with the study of tissues. How? Microscopic study of tissues. This branch deals with the microscopic study of tissues. What is microscopic study? It is the study using the microscope, or the study in which we use microscope, that is called microscopic study. So what is histology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the microscopic study of tissues of an organism. It could be plant, it could be animal, it could be anything, but an organism. Okay, what is the fourth one? Cell biology. Cell biology. Biology means the study of living things. Cell means a cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. So it is like a brick in a wall. Cell biology, it deals with the study of structures and functions of a cell and cell organelles. It also deals with the study of cell division. So what is this? This is a branch of biology that deals with the study of structures and functions of a cell and cell organelles. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. We know that all the living organisms are made up of cell. So we have, if we want to learn or study these organisms, we have to study the cell. So, and cell organelles, what are cell organelles? Cell organelles are the very tiny objects or units of cell present inside the cell, that we can say that cell organelles are the basic units that combine together in a pouch to make a cell. So these are the subunits of cells also. And what is cell division? Cell division is the process in which a cell divides into two. Cell will produce another cell. So if we want to learn all this process, we will study it in cell biology. So what is cell biology? Cell biology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of structures and functions of cell and cell organelles. Also deals with the study of cell division. Next one, physiology. What is physiology? If I remember something by saying physiology is the physique or the function. Excuse me. Study of functions of different parts of living organisms. Means an organism, if I am an organism, so the part of me will be my hand, my foot, my legs, my arms, my eyes, my ears, mouth, nose, stomach, kidneys, liver, etc. There are so many parts. So how will they work? If I want to study this, that how my hand works or functions, means that my hand is moving or I am in rest position. So I want to pull my hand. This comes upward. How this happens? This is the way what I want to study. Means how my hand raised, this function. I would like to learn about this. I will study it in physiology. So physiology is the branch of biology that deals with the functions of different parts of living organisms. Number 6, genetics. What is genetics? Genetics is the study of genes. So we can say that genes are the inheritatory material also, like chromosomes, DNA, etc. So what is genetics? A study of genes and their role in inheritance. Genes are the DNA, chromosomes, and inheritance. What is inheritance? Another word comes in our mind. What is inheritance? It raised a question. So inheritance is the transmission. It is the transformation or transmission of data or the information about an organism to another organism or an individual. For example, we saw a person or a child and asked him that, are you Ahmad's son? Then he says, yes, yes. How do you know, uncle? So we call him that you look similar to your father. So these similarities that comes to the next generation are called some hereditary characteristics. These hereditary characteristics move by the genes, the movement or transmission of genes. So what is inheritance? It is the transmission of information, especially in hereditary information, to one species to the other person or member of that species. Embryology. What is embryology? Study of the development of an embryo to a new individual is called embryology. What is an embryo? Embryo is the newborn. Means when we have studied that when egg and sperm combines together, they form a zygote. The development of a zygote leads toward the embryo. So embryo is the very newborn or the very initial stage of an individual. So the development of an embryo to a new individual till hatch or till birth is called embryology. If we want to learn about the embryo, that after how many days or weeks it transforms its shape, how does it transform its shape, when does he or she gets the arms, legs, heart and other organs. So we will all study this in embryology. The eighth one is taxonomy. What is taxonomy? When we say taxonomy means, nomi means naming. Taxa means groups. So taxonomy means the study of naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Means that taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the study of naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. I hope you have understood all these 8 branches of biology. Moves toward the next one, paleontology. What is paleontology? Paleontology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of fossils. What are fossils? Fossils are the dead remains of organisms. Means if an organism, it could be plant, it could be animal, has died a few years ago. So the process starts, means the soil comes over it by any weather condition and it preserves its skeleton or its images or shadows is called fossil. So fossils are the dead remains of animals or plants. So we can call that fossils are the dead remains of organisms. So study of fossils is called paleontology. By this we have found many new evidences or many researches and many more technologies and information studies etc. The next one, number 10, environmental biology. What is environmental biology? As we have already studied that biology means the study of living organisms. So environmental is derived from environment. What is environment? It is the space around an organism. These spaces could be, or these could be anything like living or non-living. In living we have other organisms, and in non-living we have air, water, fire, soil, etc. We have elements, weather. So environmental biology, it is the branch of biology that deals with the study of interaction between the organisms and their environment. So environmental biology leads towards the study of interaction between organism and their environment. For example, an organism like the human, how do we interact with our environment? How do we interact with the living part of the environment and the non-living part of the environment? For example, how do we depend on an organism like plant or animal? How do we depend on the abiotic, means non-living part of the environment like air, water, soil? So these are part interactions, and this branch deals with the study of interaction between the organism and their environment. Number 11, social biology. Sociobiology. So what is sociobiology? It is the study of social behavior of animals that make societies. So sociobiology is the branch of biology that deals with the social behavior of animals that make societies. As you know, we have some animals that make societies like we human beings, monkeys, and many other species of animals that make societies, and their social behavior count in that. So the study of social behavior of animals that make societies is called sociobiology. Means how do they interact with each other, how do they interact with their environment. But only the main thing here is that the only animals that make societies, not the other ones that live alone or independently. These animals or plants will not be count in this part. So social biology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of social behavior of animals that make societies. Number 12, parapsychology. What is parapsychology? It is the study of parasites. What are parasites? Parasites are the organisms that depend on a living organism, that is called host, but they get food from there, they get shelter from there, but in reward they harm that host, or sometimes they don't harm, but usually they harm their host. So these organisms are called parasites. So what is parasitology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the study of parasites. Biotechnology. Number 13, biotechnology. What is biotechnology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. So basically what is it? It is the process in which we use life, means any organism. It could be microorganisms, it could be plants, it could be animals. We are using these organisms for what purpose? To make the mankind to make the mankind happy, or to welfare for the mankind, means to help in his health or in his work, etc. So basically by using technology or by using life with the use of or help of technology for the welfare of mankind, I am defining it, what is biotechnology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the practical applications of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. The biggest example of the biotechnology is insulin, artificial insulin that helps in diabetic patients to cure themselves or for the treatment of diabetes. Number 14, immunology. It is the study of immune system of animals or organisms, especially animals. What is immune system? Immune system is the system in our body or in an animal's or organism's body that defends the body from the microbes or invader attacks. Like if I have eaten something that includes some bacteria, so my body or my immune system will act immediately to fight with that bacteria. So I will be more better with my health. So what is immunology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the study of immune system of the animals. Number 15, entomology. What is entomology? Study of insects. I don't think that I have to explain the insects, as we all know what are insects. Insects are the very small organisms like bird fly, house flies, cockroaches, and mosquitoes, etc. There are many insects present in our earth. So number 16, pharmacology. What is pharmacology? Study of drugs or medicine and their effects on the system of human beings or human body. So what is pharmacology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the study of drugs or medicine and their effects on the system of human body. So if we want to apply some medicine, like in these days we are making or fighting with the COVID-19 coronavirus. So if we want to make its vaccine, so we will first study and research on it in the pharmacology. So it means that it is the study of drugs or medicine and their effects on the system of human body. For example, if I apply or I give medicine or I take medicine of a disease like fever, how will I be cured? In how much time I will be fed, I will get better or I will get healthy, or what will be its reaction? If there are many reactions or side effects of that medicine, I am not going to eat it, or the doctor will not recognize me or not prescribe me to take that, or he will not give me the advice to take that medicine. So what is pharmacology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the study of drugs or medicine and their effects on the system of human body. Number 17, molecular biology. What is molecular biology? It is the study of molecules of life. For example, water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, etc. As I have told that there are only 16 branches present in the biology book of class 9, but I have learned something that means that there are many more branches of biology, but in our book class biology class 9 there are only 16 present, but I have written one more for you as a gift. So I hope that you will understand these branches. If you have any questions, do comment Do like this video. Please share with your friends as much as you can, and also subscribe my channel Mehmood Ahmad MTC. So till the next video, see you soon. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan Zindabad.